Hello everyone. I hope you, your family, and your employees are in good health. Today, I'll talk about the upcoming festive season. Yeah, it's that time of the year, when it brings a lot of smiles on everyone's faces. It brings a lot of opportunities for everyone, especially for our sellers. And आपको क्या करना है? बस prepared रहना है इस time के लिए. और prepared कैसे रहते हैं? वही business के very simple basics जो मैं लेकर आया हूँ आपके लिए. सबसे पहले सबसे important thing, make sure that you price your products. So you decide what you want to price your products for the big festive season. Make sure the price is very competitive for you to pass it on to the customers and reap the benefits of increased sale. Make sure you do it in close collaboration with your account manager. Make sure you prepare the quantities. Make sure you start manufacturing very early, and you have to do it at the right price point for our customers. Second part, once you have priced it right, make sure you work aggressively towards meeting the manufacturing inputs, and make sure you manufacture, you source as soon as possible. With the disruptive nature of supply chain, making sure you get the stocks before festive season is the most important thing. Once you've gotten the stocks that you want to sell at that particular price point, make sure you have a very, very clear demarcation of whether you want to sell it for NFPF, whether you want to send it to FPF, whether you wanted to sell it through smart fulfillment. In case you wanted to sell it through NFPF, make sure your inventory files are updated, make sure your pricing is correct. In case you want to send your consignments to FPF, make sure you do it as soon as possible and immediately. Again, the most important thing is make sure you book a consignment with us, use our PL network, and make sure that the products reach to warehouse as soon as possible. And lastly, in case if you want to make sure that it is managed through smart fulfillment, make sure you get the manufacturing done and convert the products into the bins and the racks. So again, very, very important, discuss the pricing with your account managers. Make sure you price it right. Make sure you get appropriate manufacturing done. Once you have the manufacturing done, make sure you decide on the fulfillment mode upfront and do not leave this decision to the last moment. और ये सब करने के बाद सबसे जरूरी काम मत भूलिएगा, आपको ऑफर्स में ऑप्ट इन करना है. इतनी मेहनत जो आपने की है, अगर उसका सबसे ज्यादा रंग उठाना है, मेक श्योर यू ऑप्ट इन इनटू द राइट ऑफर्स which we will especially make for you to make sure you give it to your customers. So this is what it is. Make sure that you stay safe, stay healthy, because this is the most important thing. अपने सेहत का ध्यान रखिएगा, and all the very best for the festive season. I wish you and your family a very big festive season, and I hope कि आपका festive season कमाल का रहे. Thank you so much.
रखो तैयारी जमकर, क्योंकि आ रहा है बिग बिलियन डेज जो है बेस्ट से भी बेहतर. ऑप्ट इन नाउ.